Warning: this YTP/YTP Tennis may contain swearing, loud noises, and flashing lights. Don't watch this video if you're having an epilepsy/seizure or under 13. It's been a while, hasn't it?
Dumbass! Alright, Thomas, just get those ready cards. Sorry, I know. Oh no, look, some water! Anyone want some cheese goopy pizza?
I don't want that.
Okay, it crashed. You've cost my gator.
Once a Toys R Us kid?
We need something shiny that can bounce sunlight into the cave. What do we have that's shiny?
Guess what, guys?
Nobody cares!
Alright.
Okay, that was just stupid.